In this video, we will create social media post by using Canva. First, open Chrome browser and type canva.com. Here you can create new designs or edit the design for social media, post as you like. For creating new post, click on Custom Size tab. Here you can choose for which app you want to create new post. I select for Instagram posts. Search for dotted background. You can edit anything as you want. I edit that quote and write new one for advance. Happy New Year 2023. Post is completely ready. Now it's time to save it. To save it, click on Share tab, and then click on Download. Here, you can download your design in many formats. I downloaded it in N format. Download is started. See, your file is downloaded successfully. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share it. Goodbye.